Yes! It is so exciting to see all of you here. Yes! And I've been following the 200-kilometer journey on Twitter. आप लोग कमाल हो यार, कैसे करते हो? It is just so amazing to see the passion, the energy with which all of you did this challenge. You know, this truly symbolizes the Ola community and the passion with which this Ice Age will end. Doesn't it? Yes. So I'm really excited to be here with you today. Have you all finished your tour yet? No. Okay. So there's a lot of surprises inside for you. And do make sure you give a small thank you to the girls next to you. They really work hard here every day to make these beautiful scooters for you and the rest of the country. So look forward to interacting more, and again, congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
ये रिवर्स
We can build a motorcycle also. So we have a 40 stations, fully done by girls, fully done by assembled by associates. Around 2,000 girls are there in the plant. From movement of the parts and assembling, painting, welding, battery assembly, everything is done by girls. And these girls are all been hired around this certain belt of Krishnagiri, Hosur, Dharmapuri, all this around. And they're all like locals who are working here. And the kitting, what you can see the scooter beside, everybody can understand, or I want to speak in Hindi. Okay. So the kitting, what you can see that there is a very clear marking is done. The part, the drawing, the fixture. So the part will be kept and easily the girls can pick and place easily. So no need to go here and there to search for the part. So once the start of the line, once the chassis or frame will be put, this kitting will be coming in the conveyor line only. So it will be moving and the girls will be standing in the same fixed station. Wherever you can see the girls who are wearing this yellow apron, they are all quality check girls. They are all confirming the quality at 3-4 stations. They have a tab where easily they can check all the specification matching or not, then give a green signal. And the plastic parts assembled here. So I'll explain initially where the chassis is coming. And these AMRs, these automated machine robots, where you saw while climbing, that is a station, charging station. And this will be picking up the kitting, and they'll again take the empty kitting trolley to the home station. So I'll go, once we go to ground, then I'll explain detail. Is working for 24 hours as per the cycle time, and the parts will be unloaded down, and from there it goes to the PPC, production planning. From there, as per the plan, the required parts will come to the AMR and go to the assembly line. You can see that is the sequence plan for this shift. Around 4 hours the stock will be there, batteries have been kept there, and motor has been kept there, and the frames have been kept there. So if we start sequence first in first off, the AMR will come and put there, backside, and front side the girls will be sitting to the line.
what application you are using for this application lens?
We have a Siemens system and MES. Integrated, yeah, MES. So every line is automated. Even when you go to Sonogor, you can see the VIN number on the chassis when it's done. It is also automated and it is interlinked to the system. So this is those are all the frames जो है ना अभी जो फ्रेम कर रहे हैं तो मेटल फ्रेम सप्लाई से आता है JBM बोलते हैं तो सब असेंबली उधर आता है उधर से वेल्डिंग शॉप जाता है पूरा वेल्डिंग होने के बाद ईडी कोटेड होता है ऐसा ब्लैक कलर कोटिंग में होता है कोटिंग यूज करते हैं यहाँ पे येलो को हमें करोजन रेजिस्टेंस के लिए इधर डिच करते हैं ये रस्ट के लिए सो वो पेंट शॉप उधर PTD लाइन भी है प्लास्टिक पेंटिंग में होता है फुल्ली रोबोटिक पेंटिंग होता है तो PTD में वी विल डू फ्रेम का करोजन रेजिस्टेंस ईडी पेंटिंग होता है इलेक्ट्रो डिप्रेसिंग होता है एंड इधर पूरा पेंटिंग होता है सो दीज आर ऑल द चाइल्ड पार्ट व्हाट विच इज छोटा छोटा सब असेंबली रहता है सब सब असेंबली करने के बाद ये AMR से लाइन पर जाएगा एम्प्टी किटिंग इधर आएगा एम्प्टी किटिंग होने के बाद द गर्ल्स वर पिकिंग एंड कीपिंग द पार्ट सो दे विल कीप ऑन द ट्रॉली एक बार ट्रॉली होने के बाद साइकिल टाइम रहता है विद इन द साइकिल टाइम दैट कीप ऑल द पार्ट्स देन AMR लेके जाकर उधर रखेगा तो ऑल एम्प्टी ट्रॉली ऐसा आएगा एक राउंड लेगा जाएगा वो सो फुल्ली ऑटोमेटेड प्रोग्राम now you can see here what you can see here this is a dispatch yard once the vehicle assembly होने के बाद पूरा स्कूटर इधर आता है स्टोरेज होता है इधर CSL होता है कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन लाइन एक बार होने के बाद मतलब आगे जाके डॉक में होता है देयर and it will go dispatch it to the customers so this is the end of the line so it is taking one U-turn so ये बैटरी शॉप है उधर एक वेल्ड आता है वो पेंट शॉप है so this all is a forest area to the sub assembly और सब असेंबली में आके छोड़ देता है ये सब बैटरी जाके उधर राइट टर्न लेके उधर इतनी बढ़िया होना चाहिए फ्रॉम देयर पेंटेड कोटिंग फ्रेम्स उधर आता है AMR से ये बैटरी इधर से जाता है दोनों उधर जाके स्टोरेज में रख देता है These are all like testing area where हम बैटरी को कुछ चेकिंग करने के लिए टेस्टिंग करने के रखे हैं इधर एंड ट्रेनिंग भी करते हैं इधर लोगों को कैसे असेंबली करना है ये सब चेक होता है हमारा एक्चुअली बैटरी उधर है जो बैटरी अंदर जाता है यहाँ में चार्जिंग डिस्चार्जिंग सब चेकिंग होता है तो पूरा बैटरी अंदर so we take quickly this battery and confirm everything and put it in a trolley. From there we are going to these are all like gluing. What we do is gluing. So once the there, come here and then again it takes you and goes down. Real life one is real life. Sorted and checked here. There are 224 cells, around 112 in the bottom, and the top will be top holder is 112. It fits and places and make sure that the charge energy level is correct. It checks. Once bottom holder top holder is done, it goes to next line. There easy checks are there. Where the girl is inserting the top holder, then from there it goes to the next station where gluing will happen, assembly gluing will happen. So there are 5 stations here. And to bring the cells will come like this. This one we are going to manufacture cells for you. So, all the pipe will be put on the truck to remove all the dust from the truck. The truck will come and they'll pick the scooters and go out. Okay. And these curtain boxes, what you see, these are the spare parts, accessories, which the customers they pack from here and go. So daily they see plastic parts, chassis, frame, product, the end of the line. There's only 1/4 of this mega block from there to here. They will put all the brackets automatically turn on your पीछे दो रोबोट है पीछे वेल्डिंग होने के बाद एक गैंट्री बोलते हैं ऊपर से फ्रेम देखा उधर एक फ्रेम को उठा है वो एक स्टेशन को उठा के दूसरे स्टेशन को लगाता है आगे दूसरा काम होता है उधर से आगे दूसरा थर्ड से आगे थर्ड होने के बाद देन सीएमएम बोलता है वो उधर जाकर वेल्डिंग जॉइंट सब There will be 2 robots. Once you operate, the welding पीछे हो रहा है, फिर take a turn again. होने के बाद ये वो गैंट्री ऊपर जाएगा नीचे ऐसा. तो ये सब छोटा-छोटा फ्रेम्स है जो सप्लायर से आएगा. यही मत पिकअप करके जाके yes everything final है. These are final lines. बैटरी स्टार्ट होगा सेल सॉर्टिंग से, टॉप एंड बॉटम ऑर्डर असेंबली होगा ग्लूइंग से, यूवी रेज वायर बॉन्डिंग, देन वाटर लिफ्ट है, देन BMS से जब तक होगा. One supplier है, he has constructed this paint shop. There is 2 line here. One is metal painting line, one is plastic painting line. दोनों capacity is 1 million and metal painting line is almost 3.7 million. These are some of the category what I explained to you. Solid shades, matte shades and metallic shades. Solid may we do neo mint, yellow, red, jet black and white. Matte may we are doing 3 types of shades. One is matte black, a midnight blue, a anthracite grey बोलते हैं. Then we have 2 metallic shades. So totally 11 colors. गेरुआ नहीं है इधर, ऑरेंज कलर भी कर रहे हैं हम लोग. अभी आर्मी ग्रीन भी स्टार्ट होने वाला है. So the basically paint shop में ये देखना इधर एक डॉल है. This is apron, the dress. This is very important. Dress में एक कार्बन फाइबर जैसा ब्लैक लाइन रहता है dress में, which is mainly the sprayers who are inside the booth who are working with the paint. So just a demo to keep them in the mask cartridge also to have a paint should not be named. All the paint shops where are you see now mainly for reducing the dust quantum. In the floor level you have a lot of dust. So protect that only to one floor element. So main painting is happening ground में लोड करके पाँच लोग और इसी मोमेंट का ये कवर करते हैं. वो भी लड़के लोग अपने सारे काम होते हैं जो हम wet on wet painting. So all painting में 3 कलर रहता है, primer, base and clear. ये पहला है primer, which is painted in blue. So once ये primer 10 to 15 ये normally which is done because you have a good addition bottle. ऊपर ये coat होता है वो addition और अंदर एक primer. primer होने के बाद दूसरा उस टाइम पे soft curing होता है, which is not anything. तो कंपनी के रूप में एक डाउन और मारते हैं ना उधर का So ये painting चार रोबोट में painting होने के बाद then there are certain girls inside. They will be doing small setup. Some girls will be doing small pictures where robo can't do because of the geometry of the part. Where again, maybe 25 to 30 minutes of पार्ट्स AMR आके एक एक ट्रॉली लेके जाता है.
After some time, he comes this way.
All this will be done here and it goes to the main line. You don't have to go and do a lot of assemblies there. So all small assemblies will be done sub-assembly stations. Once the moment chassis comes inside, the number is punched, then you can't take it out. So it happens here. So this is the first station. Then chassis, motor, core, all will come there. They'll place it, and the next kitting will go in the line on the parallel. ये सेकंड लाइन के लिए सेम लाइन इधर आएगा, सेम उधर जो है वो इधर रेडी हो रहा है. तो वी कैन डू हियर. Bye.